Hello everyone, I'm Manisha from Government High School, Haryakhod, Patna, District Patiala. Today I'm going to share my views on a topic science in our day-to-day life and its importance. As we know, science is an essential element in our day-to-day life. The basic knowledge of science is mandatory for everyone as it makes our life much easier and open up our mind in many different ways. As science is based on facts and experiment, so it doesn't change with time. You can get the explanation of everything through science, from the magic which is performed by magician to the vehicles that is running by hydrogen gas. Now, before telling the importance of science in our day-to-day life, I just want to ask one question from you. Can you imagine your life without electricity? If no, then you must know that the electricity that is also given by science. Like this, there are some other uses also where we can see that science involves there, like we use cars, bikes, bicycles to go from one place to another place. That is also given by science. The LPG gas, the stoves that we are using for cooking, that is also given by science. And the iron which we use for ironing our clothes, that is also given by science. Besides from this, there are some other fields where we can see the use of science, like in agriculture, in medicine, in communication, transportation, and in photography. In agriculture, in the field of agriculture, science has made its mark by contributing so much. Tractor, thresher, drip irrigation system, and sprinkler irrigation system, these all are invented by science. In medicine, the medicinal field that is entirely based on the usage of science. All the drugs that are mainly prepared by the medicinal or the sciences chemistry, you can say. And the machines which we are seeing or which we see in hospitals, like MRI machine, ECG machine, that is also given by the sciences. Even the injections, they are also invented by science. In communication, science has made this entire world as very small or very compact. We can talk to anyone, anywhere in this world in just fractions of seconds. This is all made possible due to the telephones and mobile phones that is also invented by this science. In photography, photography is both an art and also a science. And through photography, student can understand the scientific observations, like they can make use of lenses, and from this they can also understand how our eyes also work. And apart from this, science has given much more applications or much more machines which we are using in our day-to-day life, such as computer. As we can see that science has vast use in every aspect of human being. So we mainly rely on science for our everything. And so we can have some curiosity to understand, and we have some curiosity to answer our questions that are mainly related to our life. Thank you.